Did everything just to please the Lord? May we call on Sister Saluda. You are also have a heart of the servant, Sister Rita Mary Jane. Next awardee, the most outstanding student of Idol Batch 29. Ready your march, Sister Saluda. The last special award, and this is the Academic Excellence Awardee. It's none other than the Academic Excellence Awardee for Idol Batch 30 is none other than Sister Saluda. And now we will give the medals and their special medals for the Idol Batch 29. The sole winner awardee goes to Sister Rita Mary Jane. Next medal awardee, the Leadership Award, Sister Saluda. Next medal awardee is Best in Life Testimony. This is their heartfelt and very encouraging and inspiring awards. None other than Sister Saluda. For the Lord's glory. And now, the Idol Batch had a sermon deliberation last November 6th. And now we will have the most promising preacher awardee. Roll your march on stage, Sister Rita Mary Jane. The most powerful, the most anointed preacher that God will upbring, Sister Mary Jane Rita, our future pastora. And now, the top cream of the class, Sister Annalyn. And now, let's give a warm applause for our after-batch 99 and our pastors and teachers. And now, may we call on our idol batch 29 students at the front, singing their graduation song entitled, Here I Am.